Come on then. Come on then. There you go. You see? Started to build nests. So a lot of them I've just thought it's just paired up. But some of them have been paired up for about 10 days now. Now they're starting to lay eggs. Well, I say eggs, but I've got one anyway. And I'm really just looking at my droppings here because I can now see the down feathers. My droppings are 100%, they really are. I'm getting ready to let these dudes out shortly, so I'll probably be doing it one day this week. So here's hoping that I can hold them to me. So that's 2 nests. There's another nest there, right, so anyway, so and there you go. First egg. So I'll be letting them out one day this week when the weather's calm, about 7 o'clock at night. And I'll keep them really hungry. Yeah, keep you all hungry, yeah. I'm glad though, the droppings are looking good. No? Down feathers are coming. Aye. Come on in, come on, come on. Aye, you're all going to get your freedom one day this week. Eh? You're all going to get your freedom, eh? Come on. Come on in, come on. Let me check our cook there, he's looking well, man, eh? Look at me, look at me. Let me check her there, eh? Looks lovely, doesn't it, eh? They're in great nick. I've no long handled them. I got another broad deal, look at me. Look at that blue coat there, he's a cracker. That's a wee hen there. So this is obviously, that's 2 hens. See that? See? There's a pair there. See that? He's a lovely do, that wee black pied cock. He's a lovely pigeon in the hand, he really is. So you see, although some of them have no built nests, they're paired up, you know. Come on, come on. There you go, there's a wee checker going to go in his nest. There's a wee checker going to go in his nest. See him in the corner, see him in the corner. They're all paired up. They're all paired up. But just some of them are, they're young, like, so they're just struggling to build nests. You can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one behind me on the flare, 7. So, come on in, come on. Why, there you go, come on. See his brother, see that pigeon there? See that wee cock there? His number's 1018. That wee checker. See him there? His full brother has just won the Fed the day. Stuart Gilchrist phoned me this afternoon to tell me. And that's 1018 on the flare. A full brother to that pigeon. He's a second club, he's off a second club, second combine winner. And his brother the day just won the Fed. A full brother to it. Amazing, eh? And there's hens in here too, the other pigeons have won races with. Amazing, eh? So there you go, that wee dark checker cock there, 1018, his full brother won the Fed today. Yeah! Crack me do. Right then, I'll catch us all on the next video, eh? See you later. Cheery cheery.